Hello, Facebook fans. Here's our new one I wanted to show you. It's a Serenity X with the side-mounted awning. Air conditioning in the front. Spare tire, upgraded spare tire, and upgraded regular tires. There's load range D tires. I got underfloor storage. Those two red tabs there. There's air conditioning again. And our newest is the bunk bed. It's a 23-inch wide, and it sits about 22 inches off the ground, and it's the width of the trailer, so it's 59 inches long, so your little one could sleep comfortably up there, and you still have the floor space, so you could sleep comfortably down there. And this one also has our curtain rods. You can see here. There, this one here. Alright, I want to show you the bunk bed. That should be on our list soon of options. Alright, see you guys later. Happy camping.